I think we have a problem. Travis is about to hop in the truck, and we're about to drive 2 hours and go buy another truck. There he is. So, I'm not even asking Travis if he's ready to fucking go, because at this point in our relationship, he knows. It's really not hard. You just hit this button.
Oh, top piece.
Yeah. Trying to rip my interior apart.
Look, it's a convertible.
That Cummins injector. Let her rip. Just like stand on it. Come back.
I don't know.
It didn't.
Tires are pretty full.
Yeah, it didn't really do it for me. But thanks for the test drive.
So it's getting 15.6.
God damn it! I didn't get my camera ready. Oh, he did a burnout. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Oh. So today we're back on the GoPro. I don't have time to hold my iPhone and shoot with that, but these are the trees we're taking down. This one, and then this one, and this little bottle brush and some other like tiddly stuff. But obviously Knuckleboom. Let's get to work. Okay, woo! It's a hot one today. Kicking my ass, but we're gonna stay in the shade for this tree, I think. As you see, those trees up there we took down, we just got the little sticks left. Waiting for the grapple truck to pick that mess up. Got the crane set up. Time for this pulse. So we gotta grind all this afterwards too. So hopefully the new toy for that is gonna be here. Then we gotta just gotta drop this little magnolia here. Yeah, magnolia. So anyways, let's get you set up. All right, so I was gonna do a time lapse and not be so talkative, but we're gonna use this footage in other videos. So real quick, the tree behind me, I'm hoping you can see all of it because I will turn around in a second. But as you can see, our boom is straight up in the air. That is our main boom. That's what we call our main boom. It is 70 feet in the air right now. And as you can see, right, 70 feet in the air, it is actually taller than this tree. Now, I can take our jib, or our second boom, which is that part that's moving right now. I'm obviously moving it very slowly. But you see that part going up? That's our jib, that's our second boom. I can go up another 41 feet, or 40 feet from where we currently are, right? So just imagine that when you look at your trees, it's pretty much as tall as trees are around here, 70 to 80 feet tall. We have an oak here that we're taking down. There's some issues with where the placement of the oak is, as well as the health of the tree. So we're gonna take this one down, open it up underneath. That one is staying, that big beautiful one. We just want to get access to it so we can see and kind of appreciate its beauty. So I just wanted to let you guys see how tall 70 feet really is. It's hard to imagine. So anyways, let's get to work. so we got all the bushy stuff down for the most part. It's mostly just a lead or a stick covered in some Spanish moss, and then there's some suckers coming off the side and stuff. But for the most part, we have a stick here. What was that, 20 minutes maybe? You know, 20 minutes. By the way, I called this an oak earlier. It's a sweet gum, my bad. You know, 20 minutes we have a sweet gum ready to drop. Now we are clearing this, so, or mulching it in the future. So I could just straight drop this and come through right here. Nothing to hit there, nothing to damage, but no need to. It's good practice to take the big wood. So I'm gonna set you up, and we're gonna take some big wood. Sweet gum's not very heavy. That's probably 10,000 pounds, maybe. No, that's probably like 7,000 pounds right there standing. So we might take it in 3 or 4 picks, just because I would like some more practice grabbing larger chunks of wood, you know, the over a foot diameter kind of size of wood. So mostly because it behaves different than branches. It's more of a sudden impact on the load instead of a gradual drop. When the branches hit it, it's more of a drop. When the wood hits it, it's either, that's it. So just need a little bit of practice and control on it. So we're gonna do that now. All right, last pick. It's a new pick. I've never done a pick like this, where I grab the top of the tree, cut the bottom. Normally there'd be a helper here. Normally I'd probably be a little better at operating this, but we're gonna do it solo. And on our first try, we're gonna use 20 feet of sweet gum, so it's probably 3,000 to 4,000 pounds. Maybe not even that much. But I'm gonna get set up, and then I'll set y'all up. All right, we got a, I believe it's a 20 inch bar on the 461. We're gonna try and grab this bit. That was the wrong button, but whatever, we'll pick it up.